I am Afnan Tajuddin from marketupgrade.com, your trusted platform for learning about the market, trading tools, and indicators. Visit marketupgrade.com for more. Today, I'm thrilled to announce a feature that many of you have requested, the Fair Value Gap or FVG. This feature is now part of both free and paid versions of our indicator, taking it to the next level in terms of functionality. So, what exactly is fair value or FVG? It's a concept deeply related to market imbalances. FVG refer to area in the market where price movement has left behind a footprint of imbalance between buyers and sellers. This zone often holds significance as potential area of support or resistance. While FVG isn't directly connected to the rally, base, and drop structure of demand and supply zones, but it complements it beautifully. Fair value gaps add another layer of analysis, helping traders understand why price may reverse or consolidate before even reaching a demand or supply zone. So question is, why did we add this feature? Many traders pointed out scenario where prices would reverse before touching a demand zone, leaving them wondering why. After analyzing such cases, we realized that the prices often react to fair value gaps. This is why we have included fair value gaps in our indicator to help you identify and utilize these imbalances to make more informed trading decisions. Let's take an example from the Nifty chart. If you look at the 125-minute time frame, you might notice situation where the price doesn't reach the demand zone and instead reverses earlier. With the new feature of fair value gap, you will see that reversal occur on fair value gap zone. These insights allow you to adjust your strategy and avoid missed opportunities. Another example is on the Bitcoin chart. Just yesterday, we observed a strong price rejection from a fair value gap. Without this feature in indicator, it might have been difficult to pinpoint the reason for such move. Now, after addition of fair value gap, you can clearly see that price got rejection from fair value gap zone. Now, question is, how does fair value gap improve your trading decisions? The addition of fair value gap makes our indicator even more powerful tool. Imagine you are waiting for the price to enter a demand zone to execute a buy trade, but the price reverses before reaching the zone. This often happens because price react from fair value gap. By identifying this area of imbalances, you can refine your entry points and make more confident trading decisions. Similarly, on the supply side, fair value gap can act as a resistance zones, helping you spot areas where price might reverse. Fair value gaps highlights area where the market has shown clear imbalance, and recognizing these zones can significantly improve your market analysis. If you find that fair value gaps are not relevant to a trading style or you don't want to see them on the chart, it's simply just disable them. Just go to indicator settings, navigate to fair value gap section and turn them off. Additionally, if you want to customize the color of fair value gap zones, you can easily adjust that from setting as well. With this new addition, our indicator is now even better equipped. Don't forget to visit marketupgrade.com for our tools and indicators, especially our demand and supply zones indicator. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.